Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In a deeply shocking and offensive incident, a revered symbol of Sikh heritage has been defaced in Canada, igniting fury among Sikh leaders and communities worldwide. The statue of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the legendary Sikh emperor who once united Punjab and stood as a defender against foreign invasions, was disgracefully vandalized during a pro-Palestinian protest led by Hossam Hamdan. The act, which took place in Brampton, has left the Indian diaspora appalled and calling for justice. This brazen act of disrespect occurred when protesters donning Palestine flags and traditional kaffieh scarves desecrated the statue, which stands as a tribute to the Maharaja's legacy of courage, unity, and leadership. The sight of masked figures climbing the pedestal and placing a kaffieh around statue's neck while one of them filmed the scene has provoked widespread outrage across social media and within Indian communities globally. For many, this act is not just vandalism but an assault on cultural identity and values. The protest, intended to draw attention to Palestinian issues, instead took a dark turn as it targeted a historical figure who represents Sikh pride and national unity. Maharaja Ranjit Singh, a ruler revered not just by Sikhs but also by many across India, is known for his resistance to Afghan invasions and his pivotal role in defending the Indian soil. The defacement of his statue has thus been interpreted as an affront to Indian culture and an effort to stir division within communities. Harmeet Singh Kalka, president of the Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee, has expressed his deep anguish over the incident, emphasizing the importance of respecting symbols of historical significance. He pointed out that such acts of intolerance undermine the values of peaceful coexistence and diversity that Canada and indeed much of the world strives to uphold. Kalka urged the Canadian authorities to take swift and decisive action against the perpetrators, ensuring that such divisive acts do not repeat themselves. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, National Secretary of the BJP, also condemned the incident in strong terms, calling it a disgraceful attack on Sikh heritage. His sentiments were echoed by numerous leaders and organizations around the world, including the Hindu American Foundation, which described the defacement as a hate crime. The foundation, in its statement, highlighted Maharaja Ranjit Singh's importance in Indian history, describing him as a protector of the nation and a unifying force against foreign threats. The viral video of the incident has sparked a surge of condemnation on social media, with many users accusing the protesters of disrespecting cultural monuments. Several commentators have noted a pattern of pro-Palestinian protests targeting cultural symbols, framing this as a broader issue of intolerance and extremism. In particular, voices within Sikh and Indian communities have expressed their anger, calling the act as a calculated insult meant to provoke and divide. As Canadian authorities investigate the matter, the Indian community is demanding swift action to hold those responsible accountable. The incident has cast a shadow over peaceful protests, turning the spotlight on how actions of a few can inflame tensions and damage cultural harmony. The desecration of Maharaja Ranjit Singh's statue has for many become a symbol of an attack not only on a historical figure but on the principles of mutual respect and tolerance that form the cornerstone of modern society. Jai Hind.